Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. In the previous video, we have discussed about the basic of Terraform. And in this video, we are going to install the Terraform on Windows machine. So how we can install the Terraform on Windows machine, we are going to see this in this video. So let's get started for that. And let me try to come out of it and go to the browser. So just search for the, let me try to open the browser first. Just search for the Terraform. Okay, Terraform download. Go to this HashiCorp website, and here you will find the how you can install the Terraform. Okay, if you are on Mac, you can follow these steps. You can run this command to install the Terraform. Now we are going to install the Terraform for Windows machine. So there are two versions available. One is 386 and another is MD64. So I'm going to download this MD64. So just download it out. It will take few seconds of time to download it, and it is a zip file. So what you have to do is you have to unzip it out. So just let me go there. Just try to unzip it or extract all. And if you'll go inside the extracted file, you will find one license and another is the application. Okay, so what you have to do is just for the safer side, try to keep this Terraform file somewhere in your some particular folder. So let me try to go there. So what I did is I already have installed the Terraform in my system. So what I did is I created one folder in my C drive with the name Terraform and kept this application file there. Okay, so you can do the same thing. Now what you have to do next is just copy the location of the file where you kept this application, Terraform application, and you have to set this path to your environment variable path. Okay, so just open the edit system environment variable and go to environment variable, and there inside the path, if you'll see the path here, just edit that path and add the new. Just click on this add new, and then there you can paste it out. You can see above I already have kept it, so I'm not going to do the same. Now let me try to do a cancel here. So what you have to do is where you keep your application, Terraform application, which is you get from extracted zip file of the Terraform that you have downloaded, you have to just copy that path where it is, and then you have to come to your environment variable path and then do edit, add that path here. That's it. And then just click on OK, and you're good. Now next thing what you have to do is you have to open the command prompt. Just open the command prompt to check out the Terraform is installed correctly on your system or not. So for that you can run some Terraform commands. So let me try to run the Terraform version command. So just Terraform -v, and here you will get the version. So you can see that Terraform version 1.8.5 is being installed on this machine. So if you'll go to this site, you can see that we have installed this 1.8.5, right? The same version is installed here. So this is how you can install the Terraform on your system, on your Windows system. And if you want to install the Terraform on the others machine, you can come here and have a look. I will provide this link in the description of the video, so you can check it out. So this is about the video, and in the next video what I'm going to do is I'm trying to see how we can create the first Terraform file, and I will also explain you the provider, resources and everything, and then after that in the upcoming videos we'll try to create our EC2 instance, okay, using the Terraform. So this is about the installation video of the Terraform. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.